Hey guys, wanna know how to reset your password in Splice? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply on the top right corner, open up your profile. And once you're there, select View Your Profile. Now scroll down until you see Change Password. Right here, you can see Change Password. Simply click on it. But once that is done, there should be a password request sent to your email, so check it. And now, once you're there, here you can see your password reset request. Simply select Reset My Password. Now just type in your new password and confirm it. Select Reset Password. And there you have it. Now, your password has been reset. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.